Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this video. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. So today's video, I want to test a glow-in-the-dark top coat. And this top coat is by YAYOGE. I got this off AliExpress. But first, I want to go ahead and oil my cuticles. In my last video, when I was doing my nails, my hands were looking really rough. And that's just how my hands look when I'm doing my nails. But this cuticle oil is a cuticle oil that I made, and it is available on my website. My favorite scent, the one that I use the most, is the mango. And then I'm starting to use the cupcake a little bit more. And so essentially on my website, I have 6 different scents, and then I also have an unscented if you want a cuticle oil without a fragrance. And these oils are not sticky, and they do absorb really well into the skin. So check out my website, Loved by Verdie, and that link will, lovedbyverdie.com, and that link will be down below. So I want to test this glow-in-the-dark top coat, but I want to test it on different types of polishes. Just, you know, kind of to see what I really want to see, if it distorts the color, if it's shiny, and how it glows. And so that's why I want to test different types of polish. So I don't know what's going on with this polish. It's a gel. This gel polish is from GLAM, and I've never had one of my glitters do this. It's just like really like chunky, and I don't know what's going on with this gel polish. If anyone knows of a tip to thin out your gel polish, definitely leave that in the links down below. But this one is Make a Difference by GLAM, and I want to I want to see if the glitter's still going to be shiny, if the little clear parts of, you know, where there's no glitter will still be clear. And so this one, this gel polish is it's like a jelly polish, and it's YAYOGE Mirror Titanium Gel in color UR10. And I'll leave all the polishes in the description box below. But I did get this off AliExpress, and I don't really leave links for AliExpress or like Born Pretty because I did get flagged. I think because the product was no longer available. I don't know, but I'll leave exactly what it is, and you can just go on AliExpress and Google it. So this third color I'm using, this is by Azure Beauty, and this color is CG55. So I wanted to use a neon. So I have a glitter, a jelly, and then a neon. And I really, really love this brand of gel polish. It's not that popular, but kind of when I first started, I was ordering a lot of their colors. It's really good polish. It's inexpensive, and they have a lot of pretty colors. And this, again, is something that I got off, a gel polish I got off AliExpress. So I am using Model 1s in white, and then Model 1s in black, and I'll leave that down below. So I just wanted to see, too, with the white, if the top coat's going to go on clear, and then if it's going to leave, like, a tinge to it, or, you know, if it's going to distort the color, essentially. So for the neon coral color and the white and the black, I did do 2 coats of gel polish. And I did leave my polishing in this video because this video would be way shorter than what it actually is if I did not leave that in the video. So again, I did 2 coats of the black, 2 coats of the white, and then 2 coats of that coral color. Each coat was cured for 60 seconds in a lamp. All of these are gel polishes, so they have to be cured in a lamp. I cured everything for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this top coat. This is by YAYOGE. It's a luminous no wipe top coat. And you can see it has that glow-in-the-dark look to it. Like, you know, that glow-in-the-dark color where it's like not white. It has like a tinge. This has like a tinge of like a greenish color. So I'm just going to paint that on all of the swatches. And this is a pretty thick gel polish. So I ended up curing this for 2 minutes, which I cure my top coats for anyway. And you cannot see it well in the camera. The camera's not really picking up on it. But when you apply it, you can still see that little green tinge to the polish. So I don't know why the camera's not picking up on that, but it does have like a little hue of green on the black, the white. The coral wasn't really that bad. The blue wasn't that bad either. And then the glitter, you really couldn't see it that much on the glitter either. So on the black and the white, you could see the tinge a lot more than on the colors that I used. And again, this is a very, very thick gel polish. So you just want to make sure that it's even. And then too, with glow in the dark, you want to make sure your application's even. So I bought this because I was like, oh, if I can just get a glow in the dark top coat, I don't have to buy like glow in the dark products. So that's really why I bought it. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was probably like $2 or $3 off AliExpress. It couldn't have been more than that. So I cured that for 2 minutes, and then this is the black out of the light. And again, like I said, the camera's not really picking up on that green tinge that is on the black and the white even after it cures. So it did not cure clear. But you know, it's not very drastic. It's very subtle. So you can still see it on those colors. And not so much on the coral and the blue, just like when I was applying it. But on the glitter, it did leave like, the glitter wasn't as vibrant as it normally is, because I've used this glitter polish before. So it's kind of like, it kind of dulled it out a little bit. And then using this top coat, you want to make sure that you're keeping the shape of the nail, like, because it is a very, very thick one. So I'm going to go ahead and go in my closet and see how well these glow. So I'm going to go in the closet because it's literally the darkest place in the house right now. But the one that glowed the best definitely was the white. They all glowed. Or is that the right word? They all glowed, but definitely the white was the brightest. The camera didn't pick up on all of the other colors. So all the other colors kind of had a subtle glow to it, and the white definitely was the brightest. So overall, I don't really love this top coat. I probably won't use it again. I'd rather just use products that glow in the dark. But definitely we'll leave all the information down below. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notifications on. And I will see you guys again soon for another video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me.